In this video, I'll guide you through how to duplicate Microsoft Forms so you can quickly reuse your existing work without starting from scratch every time. This is especially handy if you regularly send out similar surveys, quizzes, or feedback forms and just want to tweak a few details instead of rebuilding everything. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Microsoft Forms. You can do this by going to the Microsoft Forms website in your browser or opening it through your Microsoft 365 dashboard. Make sure you're signed in with the account that owns the form you want to copy. If you don't see your usual forms, double check that you're logged into the correct account, especially if you use more than one for work, school, or personal use. Once Microsoft Forms is open, look for the section labeled My Forms. This is your main hub where all the forms you've created are stored. You'll typically see them displayed as tiles or cards, each showing the form's title and a preview. If you have a lot of forms, you might want to scroll through the list or use the search bar, if available, to quickly find the one you need. Next, find the specific form you want to copy. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the right one, especially if you have several with similar names. It can be helpful to name your forms clearly, like weekly feedback, template, or quiz chapter 5, so you always know which one is intended to be reused as a base. When you've located the form, move your cursor over that form's tile. You should see some options appear on or near the form. Look for the More Options button, which is usually represented by 3 vertical dots or 3 horizontal dots. These 3 dots are a common symbol in many apps and websites for extra settings or actions. Click on those 3 dots to open the menu. A small drop-down or pop-up menu will appear with several choices related to that form. From this menu, select the option labeled Copy. This is the command that tells Microsoft Forms to create a duplicate of your selected form. As soon as you choose Copy, Microsoft Forms will make a duplicate of your form and add it to your list in the My Forms section. The copied form will usually have the same name as the original with something added, like the word copy, so you can tell them apart. All the questions, options, and layout from the original form will be included in this duplicate. Now that the copy has been created, you can click on it to open it and start editing. This is where you can change the title, adjust questions, update descriptions, or edit answer choices without affecting the original form. The original remains unchanged, which makes this a safe way to experiment with new versions or customize a form for different groups. That's all there is to it. By opening Microsoft Forms, going to My Forms, finding the form you want, clicking the 3-dot More Options menu, and selecting Copy, you can quickly duplicate any form and reuse your work efficiently.